the reason I'm sat here is because I got Vivs here, and they give off some really nice light so you can see my ugly mug. Firstly, Happy New Year. It will be the 1st of January when you see this. I'm recording it the night before because that's what I'm doing with my New Year's Eve, because that's how fucking cool I am. I just wanted to make a video to sort of recap on all the things that happened last year, and I haven't really given anyone an update since the little crash on the Isle of Man with the MT. The bike itself, it was a write-off. It was a I think it was only Cat D write-off. They've been saying about the frame being sort of damaged and things like that. It wasn't too bad. It was mainly just where the paint had come off and it had sort of rusted over, so they wanted to repaint it, and they wanted to do the forks, crash bars, handlebars, fairing, seat, loads of stuff that would have just cost way more than what the bike was worth, basically. So yeah, that got written off. I got the payout for that. That went towards paying the bike off. But the bike is gone now. I sold it to a friend for a really good price, and he since has crashed it as well. Well, he's actually his brother that's crashed it, so I hope he's making a really quick recovery. I know it wasn't a nice crash at all. It was quite a nasty one, a lot worse than mine. And he's currently painting the bike orange. He's changing it from blue to orange. I think the handlebars and the wheels are orange at the moment, and he's stripping the bike down to paint the frame black. So if I can find a photo, I'll put it in somewhere around here, and you'll be able to see how that looks. But yeah, so no bike. I am bikeless at the moment, which is really strange. Still got my truck. Not sure how long for. I might be getting a different one to the one I've got, sell that one and buy a new one. And I've got the Subaru, which not many of you would know about unless you follow my Instagram, which you should. Myself, after the crash, my shoulder, my rotary cuff is basically fucked. It's not too bad. I got like motion and that, but every now and again it's like a sharp pain down my back and down my arm into my elbow. Doing physio and all that bullshit for that, so we'll see how that goes. Speaking of the TT, you haven't seen any footage from that, and that's because my Seagate hard drive failed and the reading arm, or the head, or whatever it's called, basically shot itself and it's completely fucked, which is why it's currently in pieces on my desk. I was trying to fix it, but I'm going to try and take it somewhere and get them to try and transfer the footage of the data, or replace the head or something, because I really want that footage. As for plans for the new year, new bike, hopefully, fingers crossed. I want to know what you guys think I should start to test ride, because like I said, I've not got a bike at the moment. I'm open to all suggestions: super sport, supermoto, adventure, off-road, anything. Absolutely anything with a decent amount of power, that is. I'm going to start doing some more vloggy kind of stuff like this. Besides bike, not many of you would know this, is ever since I was a kid I've always loved reptiles, amphibians, like invertebrates, things like that. So in February, me and a mate of mine are going to go to something called Bugfest in Yeovil, and it's like an invertebrate show. They have like tarantulas, scorpions, millipedes, centipedes, everything you can imagine that's an invertebrate. So we're going to go there. I'm going to hopefully vlog that. You'll see a lot of that. What else? I wonder what this is. This is the exhaust from my Subaru that came off today. I'll show you. I've had this part of the exhaust done. And it sounds a lot better than it did, only up to here. So I'm going to try and do the rest of this myself and see how it goes. As for 2017 as a whole, I think it was a really good year. I really enjoyed myself. Even though you didn't get to see it, TT was absolutely incredible. George and Will, they invited me along, and a big shout out to them because they made it such an enjoyable experience. It was the most I've laughed ever. It was fucking hilarious. Some of the stuff that happened. There's this one video, just the funniest fucking thing in the entire world. But yeah, 2017 as a whole was absolutely fantastic. The channel grew quite a lot in 2017, and we broke 1,000 subscribers, and then we broke 1,500 subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. What I want to know is what you guys want to see from the channel. If you want me to see me do test rides, if you want to see me do, I don't know, vlogs, if you want to see me do DIY videos, like when I put that exhaust together, do you want me to film that? I was planning to. Do you want to see it or not? Do you want to see anything to do with the reptile side of things, like all that sort of stuff? But yeah, thank you guys for all your support and for subscribing and liking the videos, sharing the videos, interacting in the comment section. That's what I love the most. I love seeing what you guys think of the videos and interacting with you guys and talking to you guys. That's the main reason why I make these videos, because I enjoy filming, I enjoy editing, and I enjoy seeing the reaction of other people, good or bad. Anyway, I'll leave you to it now. You go enjoy your new year. Hopefully you'll see a lot more regular uploads, different things all across the channel through our travels and all the random shit we do. If you haven't already, make sure you go and follow my Instagram. I'll put the link up here and I'll put it in the description below as well. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for next week. I think it's going to be truck vibes, so it's going to be like a truck mashup video, which will be quite good. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.